Good afternoon everyone. Myself is Parwinder Kaur from Government Polytechnic College for Girls, Jalandhar. Today I am going to discuss with you on the topic T-ratios of standard angles. In order to understand the T-ratios of standard angles, first of all we must know what are our standard angles. First we will write the definition of standard angles. Standard angles, the angles of 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree, all these are called standard angles. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss the T ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In order to solve the questions, we must know the values of T ratios of these angles. Now, first of all, we discuss the T ratios of 0 degree. To find T ratio of 0 degree. For this, we draw figure. This we know is our x axis, this is our y axis. Now, we are to find the T ratio of 0 degree. We draw an angle nearly equal to 0 degree. Let us take this as angle theta. From P, let us draw PM perpendicular to OX. We have let a revolving line, the revolving line is OP, starting from OX, traces out an angle. This line OP is tracing which angle? It is tracing angle XOP. An angle XOP equal to theta, where theta is nearly equal to 0 degree. Now, from point P, draw PM perpendicular to OX. Now, as theta tends to 0, now when this angle will tend to 0, this OP will coincide with OX. As theta tends to 0, OP coincides with OX. This line OP will coincide with OX. Therefore, when OP coincides with OX, this perpendicular distance PM will become 0. So, we say now as theta tends to 0, our PM is equal to 0. This becomes 0. Let us take OM as A and OP as A. And OP is equal to OM is equal to AC. Now, first of all, we find the value of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 will be PM over OP. This is PM over OP. The value of PM we know is 0, value of OP is A. You write here PM as 0. It means 0 divided by a finite number is 0. The value of sine 0 degree comes out to be 0. Next we find the value of cos 0. Cos 0 will be OM over OP. Value of OM is A, whereas value of OP is also A. It cancels down and we get the value of cos 0 as 1. Next comes tangent 0 degree. Now, what is our tangent 0? Tangent 0 is PM over OM. This is PM over OM. Value of PM is 0, whereas value of OM is A. 0 over finite number, that is also 0. Now, we have the value of sine 0 as 0. We know the reciprocal of sine is cosecant 0. This will become OP over PM, and value of OP we know is A, whereas value of PM is 0. It means we have A over 0, that is your infinity. Value of cos 0 degree will come out to be infinity. Next, the reciprocal of cos 0 we know is secant 0 degree, and this will become OP over OM. Value of OP is A, whereas value of OM is also A. This cancels down and we get the value of secant 0 degree as 1. Next, the reciprocal of tangent is cotangent. It means the value of cotangent 0 degree will be OM over PM, and value of OM we know is A, whereas value of PM is 0. A over 0, this comes out to be infinity. This is how we find the T ratios. The value of sine 0 degree is 0, cos 0 is 1, tangent 0 is 0, cosecant 0 is infinity, secant 0 is 1, and cotangent 0 is equal to infinity. Now, next we do find the T ratio of, let us find the T ratio of 30 degree. Now, this angle I am writing in 0 degree, that is in terms of degrees. If we want to change it into radians, this will become pi over 6. We know the value of pi is 180. 180 divided by 6 will give 30. That is, in the radians we write the 30 degree angle as pi over 6. Now, in order to find the T ratios of 30 degree, let us draw here a diagram. This is, we know, is x axis. This is our y axis. Similarly, we take OP. This as 30 degree. From P we draw PM perpendicular on x axis. We write like this: let a revolving line, the line revolving is OP, starting from OX, traces out an angle, This line OP is tracing which angle? It is tracing angle XOP equal to 30 degree. From P, draw PM perpendicular to OX. Now, therefore, angle OPM, we want to calculate this value, angle OPM, this is equal to angle OMP minus angle MOP. And we know the value of angle OMP, this is your right angle triangle, that is 90 degree. Value of angle MOP is 30 degree, and this we get as 60 degree. This angle comes out to be 60 degree. Now, we construct an angle. We construct here angle OP dash M. This is our P dash. We construct this angle equal to 30 degree and join OP dash. At O, construct angle P dash OM equal to 30 degree and produce PM, to point P dash and join OP dash. Therefore, MP is equal to MP dash in magnitude. Now, triangles OMP and triangle OMP dash are congruent. Why we say these two triangles are congruent? Let's look here. What we have done, we have constructed angle 30 degree here, then we have produced PM to P dash, we joined OP dash, we got these two triangles, one here and here. We say these two triangles are congruent. Why we say these two triangles are congruent? Because this angle MOP and this angle MOP dash both are equal to 30 degree. Then we have angle OMP and OMP dash, both these angles are equal, both are equal to 90 degree. And third, we have the common side OM, because angle MOP is equal to angle MOP dash, each equal to 30 degree. Second, angle OMP is equal to OMP dash, both are right angle triangle. Then and OM is common. We have two angles equal and one side common. It means the two triangles OMP and OMP dash are congruent. Therefore, MP is equal to MP dash, and let us write this as AC. Now, angle OPP dash is equal to OP dash P, and both the angles are equal to P dash OP. All these three angles are equal to 60 degree. Let's see here. We are talking about these angles OP, P dash, OP dash P, and then POP. All these are angles equal to 60 degree. Therefore, triangle OP P dash is equilateral triangle. Because all the three angles are equal to 60 degree, it means that given triangle is equilateral. Therefore, OP is equal to PP dash, and this is equal to 2A. Also, we have to find the value of OM. We know OM square is equal to OP square minus MP square. Value of OP we know is 2A. It means we get this as 2A square. Value of MP we have taken as A. This is A square. This is equal to 4A square minus A square. This is equal to 3A square, or value of OM we take as under root 3A. Taking positive sign. Why we are taking positive sign? Taking positive sign because 30 degree is in first quadrant. 30 degree is in first quadrant. Now we have the value of OM as, we get the value of OM as under root 3a, value of MP is equal to a, value of OP is 2a. Now we find the T ratios of 30 degree. First we find sine 30 degree. Value of sine 30 is MP over OP. MP is A, OP is 2A, cancels down, we get the value of sine 30 as 1 by 2. Next we find the value of cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to OM over OP. Value of OM is under root 3a. Value of OP is 2a, and we get this value as under root 3 over 2. Then we have tangent 30 degree. Tangent 30 is MP over OM, and value of MP is A, value of OM is under root 3a. This cancels down, we get the value of tangent 30 degree as 1 over under root 3. Now we know the reciprocal of sine is cosecant 30. This is equal to OP over MP, and value of OP is 2a, whereas value of MP is a. It means we get the value as 2, cosecant 30 as 2, and reciprocal of cos 30 is secant 30. This is equal to OP over OM. Value of OP is 2a, value of OM is under root 3a. This cancels down, the value of secant 30 comes out to be 2 over under root 3. And last, tangent 30 degree, the reciprocal comes out to be cotangent 30. Cotangent 30 is OM over MP. Value of OM is under root 3a, whereas value of MP is a. This cancels down, and we get the value as under root 3. These are the values of T ratios of 30 degrees, sine 30, cosecant 30, cos 30, secant 30, tangent 30 and cotangent 30. Similarly, we can find the T ratios of other angles, standard angles, T ratios of 45 degree. T ratios of 45 degree. We can similarly prove the values comes out to be sine 45 as 1 over under root 2, cos 45 degree is also 1 over under root 2. Then tangent 45 is 1, cot 45 again it is 1, then cosecant 45, the reciprocal of sine, that is will be under root 2, and similarly the value of secant 45 degree is also under root 2. Now the T ratios of we have the T ratios of 45 degree. Now the T ratios of 60 degree. T ratios of 60 degree. We know the value of sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. Value of tangent 60 is under root 3. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant 60. This value will be 2 over under root 3. Then cos, we can from cos we get the value of secant 60, that is 2, and value of cot 60 as 1 over under root 3. Similarly, we write the T ratios of 90 degree. Of 90 degree. We know the value of sine 90 is 1, sine 90 degree is equal to 1, cos 90 is 0, tangent 90 we know is infinity. Then cotangent 90, the reciprocal of tangent, that is cotangent, that will come out to be 0. Sin 90 is 1, it means cosecant 90 will be also 1, and last cos 90, the reciprocal of this comes out to be secant 90, and this value comes out to be infinity. Now we know all the T ratios of from 0 degree to 90 degree. We sum up these values in the tabular form. T ratios of standard angles in tabular form. We must learn these values in order to solve the questions. Only then we will be able to solve the questions. Here we take angle theta. We will find the value of sin theta, sum up here, cos theta and tangent theta. Then 0 degree value, 30 degree. Next comes the value of 45 degree, then 60 degree, and then 90 degree. First we write the values of sine. We know value of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 over under root 2, sine 60 is under root 3 by 2, sine 90 as 1. And in cos, it will be just a reverse of sine. The value of cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, cos 45 as 1 over under root 2, then cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. And in last we write the values of tangent. Tangent 0, that is 0, then tangent 30 will come out to be 1 over under root 3, tangent 45 1, tangent 60 under root 3, and last tangent 90, that is infinity. We will make use of these values in our questions in order to solve them. Now let us do first question. Write on the statement. Question is simplify cos 0 degree plus cos 45 into sin 0 plus sin 45 degree over cos 90 plus sin 45, then sin 90 plus cos 45 degree. Now, in the table we had marked the values of cos 0, cos 45, sin 0, sin 90 and cos 90. This we have. The value of cos 0 we know is 1, cos 45 is 1 over under root 2, then sin 0 is 0, sin 45 is 1 over under root 2, cos 90, value of cos 90 is 0, then we have sin 45, value of sin 45 is 1 over under root 2, then value of sin 90 is 1, and last cos 45 is also 1 over under root 2. We substitute all these values in here. Cos 0 we know is 1, cos 45 is 1 over under root 2, sin 0 is 0, sin 45 is 1 over under root 2, then cos 90 is 0, sin 45 is 1 over under root 2, then sin 90 is 1 and cos 45 is 1 over under root 2. Now, this we have to solve. We will take the LCM. LCM comes out to be under root 2. This will become under root 2 plus 1 into 1 over under root 2. this is 1 over under root 2, add it to 0. This we will write like this, under root 2 plus 1 over under root 2. Now, we solve numerator and denominator. This comes out to be under root 2 plus 1. Under root 2 multiplied by under root 2 gives 2. From denominator, when we multiply this under root 2 by under root 2, we get 2 and it is multiplied here, and in denominator we get under root 2 plus 1. This cancels with this, 2 cancels with this, and we get the value as 1. This is how we substituting the values we can solve the question. We simply substituted the values and then we simplified it. Now, let us do second question. Write down the statement, find the value of sine square pi by 2 cos pi by 4 plus 4 cos pi by 6 cos pi by 4 and cos pi by 3. Now, in these questions all the angles are given in radians. First we write them in degrees. We know that sine pi by 2 is equal to 90 degree. This is sine square 90. Pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 180. When we divide 180 by 4, that comes out to be 45 degree. It means pi by 4, value of pi by 4 is 45 degree. This is cos 45. Then 180 divided by 6 will give us 30 degree. This is 4 cos 30 degree. Then next again pi by 4, we know the value of pi by 4 in terms of degrees is 45 degree, and in here 180 divided by 3 will give us the angle cos 60. Now, we come back to the table. We have to put the value of sine 90. Value of sine 90 is 1 cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by under root 2. Cos 30. Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, and cos 60 again it is 1 by 2. We substitute all these values here. We get as sine 90 is 1, cos 45 is 1 over under root 2 plus 4, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by under root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2. What we get here? 15, 1 square is 1, it will be divided by under root 2 plus, we know 2 here and 2 here, 2, 2, 4, this cancels down. We get this as under root 3 upon under root 2. Now, in the denominator we have both the values as under root 2. Our LCM comes out to be under root 2, and in numerator we get as 15 plus under root 3. Now, in the denominator we have under root 2. We will solve this, we will rationalize it, we multiply and divide by under root 2. In the numerator we get the value as 15 under root 2 plus under root 3 multiplied by under root 2 will give us under root 6, and in the denominator under root 2 into under root 2, that comes out to be 2. This is our answer. Once again I explain what we have done. We have the values in radians. Firstly, we change the values in degrees. Then from the table we substituted the values of sine 90, cos 45, 30, 45 and again cos 60, and we simplified. Keep this thing in mind, whenever there is under root in the denominator, rationalize it. It is when we rationalized we get the value as 15 under root 2 plus under root 6 upon 2. Now, write down the next question statement. Third question, find A, B and C. If sine A plus B minus C is equal to 1, cos B plus C minus A, this is also given to be equal to 1, and third, tangent C plus A